Welcome to our video lecture on top free AI courses. In this session, you'll discover the best platforms offering high-quality free artificial intelligence courses. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to expand your knowledge, this guide will help you navigate the world of AI education. We'll cover leading organizations like Anthropic, Google, Meta, NVIDIA, Microsoft, OpenAI, IBM, AWS, Deep Learning, AI, and Hugging Face. Each platform brings unique strengths and resources to your learning journey. Let's get started and unlock the world of AI together. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, from healthcare to entertainment. Learning AI opens doors to exciting careers and helps you understand the technology shaping our future. Even if you're not aiming to become a data scientist, AI literacy is becoming essential in many fields. By starting with free courses, you can build a solid foundation without any financial barriers. In this video, we'll show you where to begin, what to expect, and how to make the most of these resources. Let's dive into why AI learning matters for everyone. Anthropic is a leading AI research company focused on building reliable, interpretable, and steerable AI systems. Their educational resources are designed to help beginners understand the basics of AI safety, ethics, and responsible development. Anthropic's materials are clear, concise, and accessible, making them a great starting point for anyone new to artificial intelligence. Their online guides and tutorials often include interactive elements and real-world examples, ensuring you grasp key concepts effectively. Let's explore what Anthropic offers for your AI learning journey. Anthropic provides a variety of free resources, including introductory articles, video explainers, and hands-on tutorials. Their content covers topics like AI alignment, ethical considerations, and the fundamentals of machine learning. The platform is designed to be approachable, so you don't need a technical background to get started. By engaging with Anthropic's materials, you'll gain a strong understanding of how AI systems are developed and why responsible AI matters. These resources are perfect for building your foundational knowledge before moving on to more advanced topics. Google is a pioneer in artificial intelligence and offers a wealth of free educational resources through its Google AI and Google Cloud platforms. Their courses range from beginner to advanced, covering essential topics like machine learning, deep learning, and data science. Google's materials are well-structured, with interactive labs and real-world projects that help you apply what you learn. Whether you're interested in theory or practical applications, Google's AI learning resources are a fantastic way to start your journey. Google's free AI courses include the popular Machine Learning Crash Course, which features video lectures, practical exercises, and quizzes. The course is designed for beginners and provides a hands-on introduction to core concepts. Google also offers TensorFlow tutorials, cloud-based AI workshops, and resources for responsible AI development. All materials are accessible online, allowing you to learn at your own pace. These courses are ideal for anyone looking to build practical skills and gain a deeper understanding of AI. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is deeply invested in AI research and education. Through its Meta AI platform, the company provides free courses, research papers, and tutorials aimed at making AI accessible to everyone. Meta's resources focus on both foundational concepts and cutting-edge advancements, ensuring learners stay up to date with the latest trends. The platform is designed to be inclusive, offering materials for all skill levels. Let's see how Meta can help you start your AI journey. Meta's free learning tools include interactive tutorials, open-source projects, and comprehensive guides. Their AI curriculum covers topics like computer vision, natural language processing, and ethical AI. Meta also hosts online events and webinars, allowing you to connect with experts and other learners. The platform's hands-on approach ensures you can apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. With Meta's resources, you'll gain both theoretical understanding and practical skills in artificial intelligence. NVIDIA is renowned for its contributions to AI hardware and software. The company offers a robust set of free educational resources through NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute. Their courses cover a wide range of topics, from AI fundamentals to advanced deep learning techniques. NVIDIA's platform is known for its high-quality visuals, interactive labs, and real-world case studies. Whether you're interested in AI for research, industry, or personal growth, NVIDIA has something to offer. NVIDIA's free AI courses include hands-on workshops, self-paced online classes, and guided projects. The Deep Learning Institute provides beginner-friendly introductions to machine learning, computer vision, and AI for robotics. Each course is designed to be practical, with step-by-step instructions and immediate feedback. NVIDIA's resources are perfect for learners who want to build real-world skills and see the impact of AI in action. All materials are available online, making them accessible to anyone, anywhere. Microsoft is a global leader in technology and offers a comprehensive suite of free AI courses through Microsoft Learn and AI School. Their resources are designed for all experience levels, from absolute beginners to advanced practitioners. Microsoft's courses cover essential topics like machine learning, data science, and responsible AI. The platform features interactive modules, quizzes, and real-world projects, making learning both engaging and effective. Microsoft's free AI courses include the AI Fundamentals series, which introduces core concepts in a beginner-friendly way. The platform also offers specialized tracks in areas like computer vision, natural language processing, and AI for business. Each course features hands-on labs and real-world scenarios, helping you apply your knowledge effectively. Microsoft's resources are accessible online and are regularly updated to reflect the latest advancements in AI. OpenAI is at the forefront of artificial intelligence research and development. The organization provides a range of free educational materials, including guides, research papers, and interactive demos. OpenAI's resources are designed to make complex AI concepts accessible to everyone. Whether you're interested in language models, reinforcement learning, or AI ethics, OpenAI's Learning Hub has something for you. Their materials are clear, concise, and regularly updated. OpenAI's free resources include detailed guides on machine learning, interactive demos of AI models, and open-source code repositories. The platform also offers webinars and community events, allowing you to engage with AI experts and other learners. OpenAI's materials are perfect for building both foundational knowledge and advanced skills. All resources are available online, making it easy to learn at your own pace and revisit topics as needed. IBM is a pioneer in artificial intelligence and offers a wide range of free educational resources through IBM SkillsBuild and Watson Academy. Their courses are designed for learners at all levels and cover topics like AI fundamentals, machine learning, and data science. IBM's platform features interactive lessons, hands-on labs, and real-world case studies. The resources are regularly updated to reflect the latest trends and technologies in AI. IBM's free AI courses include beginner-friendly introductions, advanced machine learning modules, and specialized tracks in areas like AI for business and healthcare. The platform offers hands-on labs and project-based learning, ensuring you can apply your knowledge in practical settings. IBM also provides certification opportunities, allowing you to showcase your skills to potential employers. All resources are accessible online, making it easy to learn anytime, anywhere. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a leader in cloud computing and artificial intelligence. AWS offers a variety of free AI courses through AWS training and certification. Their resources cover everything from AI basics to advanced machine learning and deep learning techniques. AWS's platform features interactive labs, video tutorials, and real-world projects, making it easy to build practical skills. The courses are designed for learners at all levels and are accessible online. AWS's free AI courses include the Machine Learning Foundations series, which introduces key concepts in a beginner-friendly way. The platform also offers specialized tracks in areas like computer vision, natural language processing, and AI for business. Each course features hands-on labs and real-world scenarios, helping you apply your knowledge effectively. AWS's resources are accessible online and are regularly updated to reflect the latest advancements in AI. Learning, AI is an educational organization founded by AI pioneer Andrew Ng. The platform offers high-quality free courses on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Deep learning, AI's materials are designed to be accessible to beginners, with clear explanations and practical examples. The platform's flagship course, AI for Everyone, is especially popular and provides a non-technical introduction to AI concepts. Let's explore what deep learning, AI, has to offer. Deep learning, AI's free courses include AI for Everyone, which covers the basics of artificial intelligence without requiring a technical background. The platform also offers specialized courses in deep learning, natural language processing, and AI for business. Each course features video lectures, quizzes, and hands-on projects, making learning both engaging and effective. Deep learning, AI's resources are perfect for anyone looking to build a strong foundation in AI. Hugging Face is a leading AI company known for its open-source tools and educational resources. The platform offers a variety of free courses, tutorials, and guides focused on natural language processing and machine learning. Hugging Face's materials are designed to be approachable, with step-by-step instructions and practical examples. The platform also features an active community, allowing you to connect with other learners and AI experts. Hugging Face's free courses include hands-on tutorials in natural language processing, machine learning, and AI ethics. The platform offers interactive notebooks, video lectures, and community challenges, making learning both fun and effective. Hugging Face's resources are perfect for learners who want to build practical skills and stay up to date with the latest advancements in AI. All materials are accessible online and regularly updated. So many great platforms available, it's helpful to compare their strengths. Anthropic and OpenAI focus on responsible AI and ethics, while Google and Microsoft offer comprehensive learning paths with hands-on labs. NVIDIA and AWS excel in cloud-based and hardware-driven AI education. Deep learning, AI and Hugging Face provide approachable, community-driven resources. Each platform has unique features, so consider your interests and learning style when choosing where to start. Choosing the right AI learning path depends on your goals and background. If you're new to technology, start with beginner-friendly courses like AI for Everyone or Google's Machine Learning Crash Course. For those interested in practical applications, platforms like AWS, NVIDIA, and Microsoft offer hands-on labs and projects. If you're passionate about AI ethics, explore resources from Anthropic and OpenAI. The key is to start small, stay curious, and build your skills step by step. Well-structured learning roadmap can help you stay focused and motivated. Begin with introductory courses to understand core concepts, then progress to specialized topics like deep learning or natural language processing. Set achievable goals, such as completing one course per month or building a small AI project. Use community forums and discussion groups to ask questions and share your progress. Remember, consistency is key to mastering AI. For diving into specific platforms, it's helpful to understand some essential AI concepts. These include machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. Each concept forms the foundation of modern AI systems. Most free courses start with these basics, ensuring you have the knowledge needed to tackle more advanced topics. Don't worry if these terms sound unfamiliar. Each platform provides clear explanations and practical examples. Machine learning is a core area of AI that focuses on teaching computers to learn from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed, machine learning algorithms identify patterns and make predictions based on examples. This concept is used in everything from recommendation systems to self-driving cars. Most free AI courses include hands-on exercises in machine learning, helping you understand how these systems work in practice. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers to analyze complex data. This approach powers technologies like image recognition, speech processing, and language translation. Deep learning is a key topic in many free AI courses, with platforms like Deep Learning, AI, and NVIDIA offering beginner-friendly introductions. By understanding deep learning, you'll gain insight into some of the most advanced AI applications. Natural language processing, or NLP, is the field of AI that enables computers to understand and generate human language. NLP powers chatbots, translation tools, and voice assistants. Platforms like Hugging Face and Google offer excellent free resources for learning NLP, including interactive tutorials and hands-on projects. Mastering NLP opens up opportunities to work on cutting-edge AI applications that interact with people in natural ways. AI ethics is an essential topic for anyone learning artificial intelligence. It involves understanding the impact of AI on society, ensuring fairness, and preventing harm. Platforms like Anthropic and OpenAI provide resources on responsible AI development, helping you navigate ethical challenges. By learning about AI ethics, you'll be better prepared to create technology that benefits everyone and avoids unintended consequences. Many free AI courses use interactive elements like quizzes, coding exercises, and real-world projects. This hands-on approach helps reinforce your understanding and keeps learning engaging. Platforms like Google, Microsoft, and NVIDIA are known for their interactive labs, which allow you to experiment with AI models and see immediate results. Don't hesitate to try out these features. They're designed to make learning both fun and effective. Learning AI is easier when you're part of a supportive community. Most platforms offer forums, discussion groups, and online events where you can ask questions, share ideas, and connect with other learners. Hugging Face and Deep Learning, AI have especially active communities, making it easy to find help and stay motivated. Don't be afraid to participate. Community support is a valuable part of your AI learning journey. Many free AI courses offer certificates of completion, which can enhance your resume and demonstrate your skills to employers. Platforms like IBM, Microsoft, and Deep Learning, AI provide official certificates for completing their courses. While these certificates aren't always required, they're a great way to showcase your commitment to learning and stand out in the job market. Staying motivated is key to success in any learning journey. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress along the way. Use reminders, study groups, or online communities to keep yourself accountable. Remember, learning AI is a marathon, not a sprint. Take breaks when needed, and don't be discouraged by challenges. Every step forward brings you closer to mastering artificial intelligence. Applying your knowledge through practical projects is one of the best ways to learn AI. Start with simple projects, like building a basic chatbot or analyzing a dataset. Many platforms provide project ideas and step-by-step guides to help you get started. As you gain confidence, tackle more complex challenges and share your work with the community. Practical experience is invaluable for deepening your understanding. AI is a rapidly evolving field, so it's important to stay updated on the latest trends and advancements. Follow blogs, podcasts, and newsletters from leading platforms like OpenAI, Meta, and Google. Participate in online events and webinars to learn from experts and network with other learners. Staying informed will help you adapt to new technologies and remain competitive in the AI landscape. Balanced approach to learning AI involves both theory and practice. Start by understanding the core concepts, then apply them through hands-on exercises and projects. Most free courses are designed to provide this balance, ensuring you develop both knowledge and skills. Don't rush, take time to review concepts and experiment with different tools. This approach will help you become a well-rounded AI practitioner. Open source tools and libraries are a cornerstone of AI development. Platforms like Hugging Face and Google provide access to powerful open source resources, allowing you to experiment and build your own AI projects. Learning to use these tools will give you practical experience and prepare you for real-world applications. Don't hesitate to explore open source communities and contribute to projects as you gain confidence. Artificial intelligence is not just for programmers or data scientists. With the right resources, anyone can learn the basics and contribute to the AI revolution. Platforms like deep learning, AI, Google, and Microsoft are committed to making AI education accessible to all. No matter your background, you can start learning today and make a difference in the world of technology. Once you've completed a few introductory courses, consider exploring more advanced topics or pursuing a specialization. Many platforms offer advanced tracks in areas like computer vision, reinforcement learning, and AI for business. Continue building your portfolio with practical projects and certifications. The journey doesn't end with one course. Keep learning, stay curious, and explore new opportunities in artificial intelligence. Let's recap the top free AI learning platforms: Anthropic, Google, Meta, NVIDIA, Microsoft, OpenAI, IBM, AWS, Deep Learning, AI, and Hugging Face. Each offers unique resources, from beginner-friendly guides to advanced projects. By exploring these platforms, you'll find the tools and support needed to succeed in your AI learning journey. Choose the ones that match your interests and start building your skills today. Journey into artificial intelligence starts with a single step. Use the free resources and platforms we've discussed to build your knowledge, gain practical experience, and connect with the global AI community. Remember, learning AI is a continuous process. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and never stop exploring. With dedication and the right resources, you can achieve your goals and make a meaningful impact in the world of AI. As you embark on your AI learning journey, remember to stay organized, set clear goals, and seek help when needed. Take advantage of interactive labs, community forums, and certification opportunities. Balance your studies with practical projects and stay updated on the latest trends. Most importantly, enjoy the process and celebrate your achievements along the way. Success in AI comes from persistence, curiosity, and a willingness to learn. Thank you for joining this lecture on top free AI courses and platforms. We hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. Take the next step by exploring the platforms mentioned and enrolling in your first course. Remember, the world of artificial intelligence is open to everyone. Your learning journey starts now. Wishing you success as you dive into the exciting field of AI. For more information, check out the official websites of each platform and join their online communities. Most offer newsletters, forums, and additional resources to support your learning. Stay connected, keep exploring, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions. The AI community is welcoming and always ready to help new learners. Good luck on your AI adventure.